Explaining Angry Birds bird wait Explaining Birds in Angry Birds 2 Part 5. Bomb. Bomb is a uh bomb. Bomb, as the name suggests, explodes. Uh yeah, and his name is conveniently Bomb. And his mom is named Mom. Like, what the heck? Anyways. So yeah, that's Bomb. He explodes. He is the recommended bird, according to AB2. Now I actually recommend Silver. If you actually want like destruction because of the earth shaker, earthquake and shit. Yeah. So anyways, see ya for part see ya in part 5. Peace out. Wait, am I supposed to say that? See you tomorrow.